You're also known for calling Bitcoin to go to zero. We've seen a tremendous correction here. You're sticking to this?
Well, I mean, look, Bitcoin went up to 20,000 and now it's about 10,000, right? But I mean, this is nothing. I mean, there's a good chance that we've seen the highs in Bitcoin, but there's also a good chance that we haven't. So I don't know if the bubble has got another leg in it or another two legs. But to me, it doesn't even matter how high it goes. Zero is where it's eventually going to be, or close. Maybe it won't get exactly to zero. I mean, although eventually it will. But I mean, there could be some residual speculation. Even bankrupt companies, their stocks still, have a bid in them. There's trading going on. But we'll see. I mean, I would say that if we end up with an 80 or 90% decline, so if we go from 20,000 down to 1 or 2,000, for sure it's over, right? And I know people would say, well, Bitcoin has had 90% corrections in the past. Yeah, but that was when nobody was involved. I mean, I would say right now that more people who own Bitcoin own it at a loss than at a profit. Even though it's had a move from like pennies up to 10,000, the number of people who bought into the market at 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, up to 50 is enormous, right? They all came in, they bought a little bit, right? All these accounts were being opened up and people were speculating. People had no idea what they were doing. They didn't know what a fiat currency was. They didn't have any problem with any Federal Reserve or any, all they wanted to do was make money. And they were told, hey, you can't lose in this. Just buy it and you're gonna be a millionaire. And so you had all this speculation. High school kids are buying it. I mean, everybody's buying, putting their money. People are taking loans on their credit cards, taking out, against their home to just buy into this. So now everybody is down. Now everybody is still kind of hopeful that it's going to rebound. But if it doesn't, if it keeps falling, then the brand is tarnished, right? All of a sudden, instead of hearing stories about how rich people got buying cryptocurrencies, it's going to be about, oh my friend put some money into Bitcoin, he lost, 90%. I mean, all of a sudden, that's it. Because all these cryptocurrencies are, and even now, Bitcoin, they're starting to admit, well, it's not a digital currency, it's a digital asset. Because you can't really use it as a medium of exchange because it's too slow and too expensive, and of course it's too volatile to price anything in it. But they're saying it's like gold, except it's nothing like gold. Gold has real properties that humans have desired for thousands of years. Gold was used as a commodity, as a luxury good, long before it became money. People discovered later on, money was invented. And eventually people recognized that gold was ideal as money, in addition to all the other things that people used it for. But Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency can't be used for anything. All you can do with it is give it to somebody else. And they'll only take it if they think they can give it to somebody else. It's all based on faith. There's nothing tangible there. And when the confidence goes, then all the market value goes. And so it's unfortunate that so many people have got caught up in this. Now, I know a lot of libertarians, a lot of good people got in early. I mean, hey, bless them. If they sell, they can make a lot of money. But it's because other people are foolish enough or greedy enough to buy into this. But at the end, I know there are a lot of people that refuse to sell. They bought in low and they're just holding on because they think it's going to be a million, and they're just all going to be wiped out.
Peter Schiff of Euro Pacific, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.